Kempegowda International Airport is an international airport serving Bengaluru, the capital of the Indian state of Karnataka, spread over 16 square kilometers. It is located about 35 kilometers north of the Bangalore city. UB City Mall, located in the central business district of Bangalore, on Vittal Malia Road. It is just 1.5 km away from the MG Road with a total built-up area of 16 lakh square feet. UB City is completed by 6 blocks. Each of these blocks stands out for their distinctive look while yet combining to produce the feeling of the city.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up.
Nandi Hills is an ancient hill station in the Chikkaballapur district of Karnataka. It is approximately 60 km from Bengaluru. The hills are near the town Nandi. In traditional belief, the hills are the origin of the Arkavatta River, Paniya River, Palar River, Papagni River, and Penna River.
Time is on our side. Things are
watching the sunrise at Nandi Hills is popular with tourists. The first ever Shark Summit hosted by India was held at Nandi Hills in 1986. Bhoganandeswarya Temple and Arunachaleswara Temple, a twin Hindu temple complex located in Nandi village and dedicated to Shiva. They have been variously dated between the 9th to 10th century. Bhoganandeswarya is the oldest surviving temple of Dravidian architecture. The complex underwent restorations and additions through the Vijayanagara Empire period. The temple are notable for its large and intricately carved Sabha Mandapa, the inscriptions and artwork, much of it to Shivaism, but also significantly for Vaishnavism. The temple is protected and managed as a monument of national importance by the Archaeological Survey of India. Tipu Sultan's Samar Palace is an example of Indo-Islamic architecture and was the summer residence of Mysorean ruler Tipu Sultan. Hyder Ali commenced its construction within the walls of the Bangalore fort, and it was completed during the reign of King Tipu Sultan in 1791. Bangalore fort still remains a good example of 18th century military fortification. At the time, the fort was a strongholder of King Tipu Sultan. The army of the British East India Company, led by Lord Cornwallis, on 21st March 1791, captured the fort during the Third Mysore War. silk factory, where you can see and buy Bangalore silk sarees. The factory is open to visitors from 10 am to 3:30 pm. Vidhan Saudha, Legislative House of Karnataka. The building was constructed from white granite. It was designed in the Neo-Dravidian architecture and completed in 1956. ISKCON Bangalore commemorates a significant milestone, making 25 years of service and blessings to the world. Over the course of its journey, ISKCON Bangalore has remained steadfast in its commitment to various charitable endeavors striving to uplift both spiritual and social welfare. Krishnoraja Wadiyar IV, the king of Mysore, set up the government soap factory in Bangalore. Mysore Sandal Soap is a brand of soap manufactured by the Karnataka Soap and Detergents Limited, a company owned by the government of Karnataka. The soap has been manufactured since 1916. Cubbon Park is a landmark park in Bengaluru, located in the heart of the city. The park's area is now 300 acres. Lalbagh is a botanical garden with an over 200-year history, first planned and laid out during the period of King Hyder Ali. There are many trees that are more than 100 years old. Flower shows are conducted every year during the week of Republic Day and Independence Day to educate people about the variety of flora and develop public interest in plant conservation and cultivation.